Look, you could have a 2001 quarter like the ones in this video, and you could have a coin that's worth so much money. In this video, I'm going to break down what you need to be looking out for to make sure that you don't accidentally spend one of these coins that actually sold for a ton of money. So really quick, what you need to know here is that if your coin has a P mint mark underneath the motto there, you have a coin that there were 353 million produced. If you have a coin that has a D mint mark underneath the date there were 370,564,000 of them produced. If you had a coin that is a proof, that means the back of the coin looks like a mirror, which is also considered to be the field, and the relief of the coin, which is the letters and everything that's raised on the coin pretty much, if that has a matte appearance to it, that means that you have a proof coin. And there were only 3,093,273 of them produced. Let's jump into this video and I'm going to tell you exactly what to be looking for. So this coin, really quick, has a 5% clipped planchet. What you need to know is that when they're producing the pieces of metal to have these coins struck on, sometimes when they're being cut, they will accidentally be clipped by the machine that cuts these coins. This coin was graded by PCGS, a mint state 63, and it sold for $32. So if you see a coin like this, I highly recommend not getting it graded, because after the grading fees and after the listing fees when you sell the coin, this person definitely did not make any money. If anything, they lost money on this coin. If you have a coin like this, I recommend selling it raw, and by raw I mean not graded. This coin sold for $460, and what you're going to know about this is that, this coin graded at a 68 grade. Now that's only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. Sometimes people will pay more money depending on what collection it came from. Michael Fuller collection. This guy probably has a ton of good coins in his collection. He could be a famous person. There could be many reasons why a coin collection pedigree on a label will increase the value of the coin. This coin in particular sold for $460. This person, got a really high grade. They were able to turn 25 cents into almost $500. Now, most of the time, if you have a proof coin like this coin, it is not worth getting graded. Sometimes if the proof graded coins grade at the perfect grade of 70, then they will bring a premium. I need to stress that getting that grade is so incredibly challenging. There are coin dealers and coin experts that are sending in hundreds or thousands of coins and they still don't get that 70 grade. So it is a complete gamble if you send your coin in and you try to get that 70 grade, because it's so challenging. I highly advise against it unless you are very confident or you're just a collector and you want to get your coin graded because you want to keep it safe. But again, because it graded at the proof 70 grade, this coin sold for $644. So these are generally issued coins. This is the 2001 P, meaning the Philadelphia coin. Now these coins were meant to go out into circulation. They were meant to exchange hands, and depending on which type of coin you have, what the date is, what state it was minted for, will really dictate how much money it's going to be worth. Again, this was the Michael Fuller collection, so that likely has a reason why there is a premium on the price here. Outside of the fact that it only graded 1 point away from the perfect grade of 70, remember, a lot of the time proof coins have a higher probability of being graded higher simply because the minting process is completely different for those coins versus generally issued coins. Normal issued coins like this are, they're going through a much more rigorous process. They're not as hand carried like proof coins are. For this coin to achieve this high of a grade is so hard to get. That's why it sold for $1,840. So there's a few reasons why this coin sold for $2,585. It is the same grade as the previous coin, same type of coin, but the two biggest determining factors of why it sold for so much money is, one, the collection. This one's from the Mile High collection. Two, the time that you sell your coin. Time really matters. If you sell your coin during a market low, you're going to get less money versus a market high. Also, if you sell your coin 10 years from now or 20 years from now, the market is going to be vastly different. Some people are going to be wanting to be investing more money in those type of coins. So it really does depend when you sell your coin. And then lastly, the reason why it could possibly have brought more money is because the overall eye appeal or luster. If you have the same exact grade, some coins will simply look better than other coins based upon how they reflect light or how they look in the holder, etc. Those three things are why this coin sold for so much more money than the previous coin. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next video.